Papa. Billy, let's open. Let's see what's in here.
Oh, this includes secret loot.
Like Bitcoins?
No.
Said they posted a Bitcoin on TV or something and somebody immediately stole it.
Really? Huh.
Maybe it was explaining how Bitcoin works or something.
That means you could steal it
Hacked it.
back, right?
I don't know. What's in there? Colors.
Bro, I sent you 5 Bitcoins for Christmas.
They're from China.
Whoa.
How about this one? Let's see. You can be an artifact now.
There should be a bag where it has a book in for it too.
It's right there.
Artsy fartsy. Here it comes. 1. Oh, what is it? 2. More.
Whoa.
You're gonna be strong, girl.
How about sneak a finger under here? Look. Uh-oh. Oh, looky. What is it? Oh, stickers. Does it say stickers?
Put it on your hand.
Look, Papa will show you that they're stickers. Have Papa take one off for you.
Go show Daddy. Horsey.
Doggies.
Go.
Papa will help you show you how to take it off. Show her, Dad.
Horse?
Dad, take one off.
Watch. Look at Allie. Stick it here. Put it here. Oh, yeah, on your hand, sure. You can decorate. Or you just use them once. You want there? Let's get another one. Which one? For your hand?
Yeah, find a
Like
nice
that
one for your hand. It's not gonna come off now, Pie.
Let's see. Let's try it.
I got her the art set.
Oh, nice.
Show Daddy. Show Daddy.
Sure
Book of
more.
stickers. Wow.
Horsey? Horse? Remember the horse? Yeah. Which horse? This one? Okay, on your other hand? Which hand? I'll put it here, right? Okay. How about that? Ooh.
Yay. Say thank you.
Yay.
Allie?